Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link and use your free Twitch Prime sub. So first, what we're going to do is you want to go into Twitch and you want to sign in with your account. Next, you want to go to this address here, so gaming.amazon.com, and sign in here. Now, what it is you're going to do is you're going to go here, you're going to go into top here, and you're going to sign into your account. Once you sign into account, let's give me an option here that says link my Twitch account. So you click that and it's going to bring your pop-up which will help you sign into Twitch. And then from there, you're going to be able to go back here and it will tell you go to Twitch or whatever. From there, you can go into Twitch and you can go to whichever creator that you want to go to, whoever it is. So here you can go down and then you'll be able to click subscribe here and you'll be able to subscribe with Prime for free. It will come up here once you have connected your account, and that's how you do it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.